Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video is kind of one of our more whimsical videos, if you will, although I don't know if you can use the word whimsical when you're talking about a YouTube channel for a law firm in Southeast Asia. That said, I just kind of made this video because honestly, I've kind of implicitly dedicated myself to a certain amount of content that we're going to create on this channel. And sometimes, sometimes you're just trying to kill a little time. I'm not gonna, lie about that. That happens. That said, I saw this. It kind of pertains to the bailiwick of this channel, if you will, and it's kind of interesting and oddly kind of funny on its own, like in a way. But I thought it was worth making a video on. In any event, I thought of making this after reading on Twitter. So I initially got on Twitter and found this, going to quote directly, Falcons can get their own passports from the UAE to travel that allows them to travel to Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Morocco, and Syria. The passport is valid for 3 years. And I said to myself, no way, that sounds silly. There's no passport for Falcons. And then I went to the UAE's foreign ministry website, moccae.gov.ae, under Request a Falcon Passport, quoting directly, through this service, the Falcon owner can obtain a Falcon passport, which would be valid for 3 years from the date of issuance, or the renewal, I think they meant the renewal, or the renew of the Falcon passport, or issue replacement of lost. The passport can be used during travel and hunting trips instead of using site certificates. And I don't even know what site certificates are, but I just think it's interesting that in the UAE and apparently Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Morocco, and Syria, there are travel documents specifically for falcons. And I was unaware that falconry is apparently still very much alive and well in the Middle East and the Gulf states. And this is something that certain hobbyists having to do with falconry like to enjoy, and they like to take their falcons to different places, so they get passports for their falcons. And the UAE does indeed offer a Falcon passport. So again, we discuss little things having to do with international immigration on this channel. I thought this was worth noting. So something interesting, if you ever need to get your Falcon to the Gulf states, now you know you can go ahead and get a passport for doing so.